Where are you walking to?
Where I'm walking to, David? Why you look so dorky?
The sun is the devil.
Okay, Kenny and I gonna actually walk. I think Antung 4 right now. Let's check out if there's something new. And then we're gonna go all the way to the back, check out the bar street if there's something new. And then I have to go all the way to the Aussie Bistro for the meetup.
You know, today's the first time I've seen the beach in
Yeah?
like a month.
Really?
Yeah, like physically seen the beach.
Maybe we should check out the beach.
Awesome.
Let's check out the beach.
I saw the beach a lot.
Yeah, man. Let's walk here to the beach. Look how many people are on the street. It's crazy.
Yeah,
It's
why so crowded?
it's crowded, right? I also met some Germans today, and they told me all the hotels are booked.
You know, I think a lot more stuff is open for Tet now.
Huh?
Like there's decorations and stuff like
Yeah.
in the tourist town.
Maybe it's the Tet days. You know, the Lunar New Year. Maybe people come extra for that.
Yeah.
I feel like there's more initiatives by the city to do like foreigner-facing things for Tet.
Yeah.
Where it used to be like ghost town, like all the stores are closed, like all the streets are closed, nobody's doing anything. But I've never seen public decorations like that.
Yeah, we do.
I mean, yeah. Let's check it out. Let's check out the beach. Let's see if they have something new going on there. David, have a good day.
Okay.
You see each other.
I don't know how to get home. I haven't been here in so long.
Oh, you just drive straight.
Yeah, you go straight.
You go straight all the way to the river and then to the right. Very easy. Look at this little Scoopy. All right.
See ya.
Yeah, so David is protecting his neck because the sun is pretty aggressive. But you know what? It's crazy how many people are on the streets.
Dude, it's the weather. Amazing.
It's the weather, yeah,
25
that's maybe.
degrees right now.
Yeah, 25 degrees.
Super nice.
It's sunny, but it's not too hot. It's perfect. But we gotta check out the beach. Maybe the beach is even nice now.
The beach is beautiful today.
Yeah?
I cycled along the beach today.
Really?
This morning, yeah.
You got a bicycle now?
No, I had a bicycle. I went far. I went 26 kilometers today.
Oh.
Earlier, dude. Very far.
But if you see Kenny on a bicycle, do you got some very tight tights on?
Yep.
Do you got a helmet?
Yeah, of course.
Dude, what kind of cycle?
Dude, I
what
rode
kind
26 kilometers, dude.
what
It's
kind of
far.
bicycle is that? Like a speed one?
It's a Vietnamese brand called Vin.
Vin.
Vin, yeah, the name of the bike.
Okay. So here we got J Market. And also after that is the Brazilian steakhouse. But I heard it's not the same anymore. They don't have all you can eat anymore. They have somehow they weigh the meat they cut away on the table. And then you have to pay whatever you use. It's it defeats the purpose in my opinion. So I'm not sure if I ever go back. But Marcus also stopped eating there. Pretty interesting. But it's still a nice experience, but it's not, I don't think the value is back. Look at this, all empty. That means the city is full.
Yeah. We sell bikes here.
And this one too,
This is
empty.
Where, this is where Bud rents.
Yeah.
Almost empty.
What is this, a grande? Yeah. Only the bad ones are out.
Yeah.
Crazy. It's interesting, right? Last year, how was it last year? I think last year I went to Hanoi for Lunar New Year, for Tet.
Yeah.
This Lunar New Year I will go to Malaysia. So I'm actually excited. And actually when you see this video, it's gonna be Malaysia.
Show some of the tent decorations.
Yes, I think they already removed it. Yes, they
Well, yeah, maybe some stuff.
yeah.
They're gonna add on maybe a little bit.
They have more
whole street's
restaurants
gonna
around here. But I think this place, we gotta check this one out if they're already, how far they are. Because I think this is gonna be a very nice night market. Look at this.
Oh.
Phuong Mian. It's not done yet. Not done at all. But
You say you're walking here to the market?
I think this might be, they are working on it. You see this? All the stands and the bamboo. So they will have, okay, let's explore.
Gotcha.
Let's go.
Right. I think you're right.
All right, let's explore, bro. Yeah. Oh, maybe I cannot walk on here. It smells like fresh cement.
I see. So
Smells
it's like
it.
a hawker stall place?
Yes.
Okay.
There's already something proudly brewed in Da Nang.
That's cool.
Beer,
So it'll be
a
like
banner.
Public market.
I think it's gonna be a night market
Awesome if it is, yeah.
or 100%. And,
Sick.
and you see this?
I like that.
So if it rains, it's still on there.
Okay.
I think it's good.
Okay. Yeah.
This is exactly what the city needs here on the beach.
Yeah, exactly.
Because the night market at the bridge is not the best, and it's also outdoor. There's no cover if it
Yeah.
rains, you know, or if it's too sunny. Night market is never sunny. I'm a moron. Oh, that looks nice. They changed that.
Yeah, I want that.
That's beautiful. The year of the snake, guys. The year of the snake.
Oh, cooler.
Look at these beautiful flowers. This is amazing. There wasn't there. Phúc Mung Nam Moi. Very nice, very beautiful. And there are painting over there. It's very windy. I don't know if the paint is sticking to the construction or just flying around everywhere. It's very windy, but it looks very beautiful. You gotta check it out. Oh, this is still here. This is new. Very nice. Nice. Okay, look at this. Who came up with that construction? Now you have to be very cautious to be on the walkway, right? Oh, the beach looks phenomenal. Woo! Oh my God, it's packed. Yo, Kenny, let's check out the water. I think it's actually very nice to bath now. Let's check it out straight away. Oh my God, it looks almost like summer. It's amazing. That's crazy. Oh, it's packed. It's great, and also the water is beautiful. The water is actually very clear right now. It's very nice. I think the water is like the perfect condition, but look at how many people there are. This is insane. And it goes all the way to the back. It's almost like summertime now, but it's not that hot. It's not that hot, Kenny, right?
Nope. Tons of
But the
people.
water looks pretty.
Oh yeah, dude. Nice views everywhere. Yeah, the waves aren't too bad today.
Let's walk over there.
Yeah.
Let's check out what's
I
going on
like
there.
walking.
This is the lifeguard keeping us safe. How you doing?
Good
Very
content,
nice.
dude.
Huh?
Good content.
It's good. And people are actually surfing here a little bit. It's, I think in the back, those waves are good. You see that?
Yep. Surfing. Dude. Yeah.
That's awesome. Yeah, let's just walk back. Yeah. So you can see the Holiday Beach and the Yarra Ocean Suites. So those are the only two hotels around this area. And then it starts with Aden over there. But for me, this is like one of the best areas. but it's very busy. But I think here's the thing, right? It's not that hot. That's why people can actually stay in the water, in the sun like that.
Yep, today, yeah.
In the summer, if you stay in the sun like that, say goodbye to your skin. Say goodbye to your skin. Because I even got like burned even with SPF 50 or something. But it's very soft right now. It feels soft. You still get burned, but yeah. Let's check out the Antung area over there. All right, guys. But look at this beautiful beach over here. Did you hear that Premier Village, the place where we always go, they raised the price to $350,000? Interesting. Good that I still have an Accor Plus.
Well, like,
But
I think
it
it's gonna end soon, right?
I think, yes, it's gonna end of February. But you know what I will do? I will actually check out every single resort. Maybe there's even better options for day passes. So don't forget to subscribe, guys. You will get all the infos here first. Higher day pass? Yeah, that's also possible. Okay, let's go. Oh, you want to go this Saturday?
I might, yeah.
Okay.
Tomorrow.
So what do you think about this place here? Looks so dirty, right? It's crazy.
Well,
It's not cleaned up since over months.
well, nobody really goes back there. That's why they
Yeah.
just throw the trash.
Yeah,
But
but
then, like, it's gonna get cleaned up.
I don't know, man. This is over months, few months already. Yeah, like this. It is broken and then it's just like trash.
Yeah.
Since the
This is supposed to carry like a lot of trash. Out.
yeah, and people just throw more trash on it, as if this is a trash. Look at this, because it broke down after the
If
typhoon,
somebody
I believe.
complains about it enough, it'll get cleaned up.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing here.
Thing. No, seriously, yeah.
I just don't understand. Look, there are actually cleaning personnel over there,
Yeah.
but still, they don't do that.
They have some of the cleaning volunteer groups that go out. You know that? The foreigners, they go out
Yeah.
and clean up the trash every Sunday.
Yeah, you know what? This actually, the government has to do this, in my
Yeah,
opinion.
yeah, that's true.
I don't litter.
They will later. I think once it
Yeah.
gets more developed, there's nothing there.
Oh.
I think it will later.
This is also a very
But
interesting
all
street,
over
the
here is all
Chan
very clean,
Bakadang.
though, you know?
Yes, of
Over here
course.
is, like, pretty-
But I don't understand why the entrance of this area has to be like that.
Yeah.
Because it's like a ripple. Like if one starts throwing trash somewhere, everyone throws the trash.
Right. Afraid it'll
And if there would be
spread.
no trash, no one would just throw something on the floor.
This place is busy, bro.
Yeah, dude.
It's my favorite old place here.
You mean on the right?
Badao, yeah.
Yes,
We always
Badao,
eat
100%. But it's actually, I thought it was be closed already, but now I see it's open still.
I have to stop for a
Do you think they're gonna have? You wanna have one?
Way too crowded. Maybe I should on the way back.
Yeah, dude, it's so full.
Might be too long. Is there another one? There's no other one. I think that girl's waiting because it's gonna take like 20 minutes.
No, I don't know.
That happens sometimes.
It's crazy. I don't understand how it can be so full.
Is there any
packed.
other place? With a quick
We
thing.
can walk. We can check it out.
Let's go straight through here. Ooh, crowded or something.
So
Badao.
Paul, one member of my channel always gets a Philly cheesesteak baguette here.
Philly cheesesteak baguette?
Yeah. I gotta try it still.
Okay.
You just wanna have a banh mi or something else?
Anything small. I'm not trying to eat too much. Draco Hotel. Did you ever review this hotel, by the way?
Yes, bro, I did.
It looks nice, but it's not good.
Yeah, but it just looks nice. It's not maintained and
Really?
good.
Huh.
And it's uncomfortable if you wanna work or sit down somewhere.
Huh.
It looks good on photos. I filmed it, and yeah. It's still it's not a bad option if you wanna have, if it's on the right price.
Yeah.
So this hotel can go all the way up to $50. Then it's not worth it. If you get it for 25 to 30, then it's worth it.
What about up here? I see something like cooking
Ah, yeah.
with the steam. Like smoke. It's fun. Wow.
But I don't think if they have banh mi.
You sure?
I think they have
meat, dude.
bunja, bro. It's bunja, bro.
Maybe I'll do that.
Ooh. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will post every day here. So see you on the next one.